just left the Grand Canyon, and tonight we are going to be meeting up with Kurt in the National Forest just north of the Grand Canyon. Unfortunately, I wasn't smart enough to download the National Forest Service maps to Gaia, so we're going with paper maps today. He's given us coordinates. I'm going to try and do our best navigating through the Forest Service roads using the paper maps. Going old school this time. If you haven't already picked up some of these paper maps, I really recommend the benchmark atlases. They are excellent. They show each of the service roads. They show unpaved versus paved, four-wheel drive versus just maintained gravel. It's well worth picking up for each of the states that you're visiting, and I'll put a link to the ones I've been using. Less than a mile from our campsite, Wes started causing drama again. What did you manage to do? Oh, so it's my fault? Don't worry, to the rescue. I mean, ARRS. He'd managed to hit a stump and get his tow hook caught over the front. As a result, he was stuck. Luckily, I'd packed a battery-operated chainsaw. A short distance from our campsite in the cool and shaded Kaibab National Forest was the edge of the Grand Canyon National Park, looking over one of the many side canyons that lead to the Colorado River. We are just outside of the Grand Canyon National Park. Grand Canyon's behind me, the sun's setting, and camp is just up there at the top. Look at that view. Day 8, we split ways. Kurt was staying in the Kaibab National Forest for a few more days, and Wes was heading up to Moab to get some work done. This is pretty much where we leave you, Wes, so we'll see you in Moab.
See you in Moab.
FaceTiming his mom, showing her what we can see. Day 8, and we're staying at a campground tonight. We're at High Road Campground just east of Zion National Park. We drove through it earlier and it was absolutely incredible. Was amazed at the views, and I can't wait to go back in tomorrow and hike some.
It's impossible to put into words how incredible Zion National Park is, and how much I enjoyed hiking the Narrows. It's something you've just got to experience for yourself.